Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com recurring items for ongoing tasks step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to set up recurring items. Click on the Add View button located at the top right corner of the board. From the drop-down menu, select Table. In the new view, locate the task that you wish to make recurring. Click on the item to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, find the due date column. Click on the calendar icon to set the due date for your task. After setting the due date, look for the repeat option in the same window. Enable the repeat option to start configuring the recurring task. Choose the frequency of recurrence, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify additional settings, such as the end date for the recurrence. Once done, click Save to confirm your settings. You'll now see the recurring item displayed within the board. The recurring tasks will automatically populate on the specified dates. Feel free to adjust the frequency or details by revisiting the item anytime. Now you are all set to manage your ongoing tasks efficiently. Using recurring items can greatly enhance your productivity. Make sure to check your board regularly to stay on top of your tasks. That's all you need to install and manage recurring items on Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.